Hi everyone, if you are looking to dive into the world of real estate, you have come to the right place. Today we are going to explore the three main types of real estate investments, that is residential, commercial and vacation properties. So grab a seat and let's get started. When we talk about residential properties, we are referring to places where people live. These are the most common types of real estate investments and they come with their own unique characteristics and opportunities. Single family homes are individual houses that are typically rented to one family. They come in various styles and sizes from cozy bungalows to sprawling mansions. Investing in single family homes can be a stable and profitable venture. With proper management, these properties can provide a steady rental income. Now, the pros of investing in such type of properties are it is easier to manage, it has higher demand, and it has potential for appreciation. Whereas cons for such properties are vacancy can mean a total loss of income for such properties, and there are maintenance responsibilities. Multifamily homes include apartment buildings and duplexes. These properties have multiple units that can be rented to different tenants. Investing in multifamily homes can provide a steady income stream. For example, a building with 10 units at an average rent of rupees 10,000 per month can generate rupees 1 lakh in revenue. The more units, the more potential income. Now, the pros to investing in such type of properties are it provides diversified income. If one unit is vacant, others are still generating revenue. This also provides scalability. Whereas cons for such properties are it is more complex to manage, it has higher initial investment. Condos and townhouses are individual units within a large complex. Condos often come with shared amenities like pools and gyms, while townhouses may have more private outdoor space. These properties are great for first time investors. They often require less maintenance as common areas are typically managed by a homeowners association, plus amenities can make them attractive to renters. Now, the pros for such investment are it involves lower maintenance responsibilities and it has access to more amenities, often more affordable. Now, cons to such type of investment are it includes homeowners association fees, it has less control over the property, and it has potential for slower appreciation. Real estate offers a wide array of investment opportunities, whether you are drawn to the simplicity of single family homes, the income potential of multifamily properties, or the beginner friendly nature of condos and townhouses. Understanding the nuances of each of these can help you make informed decisions. Commercial properties are spaces used for business purposes. They offer unique investment opportunities and come with their own set of challenges and rewards. Office buildings range from small professional spaces to towering skyscrapers. They are designed to accommodate business and their employees. Now, in cities like Pune, prime office space can rent for over rupees 80 to 100 rupees per square feet. Now, office building can provide a steady income, especially in thriving business districts. Now, pros of such type of investment properties are it has potential for high rent, it provides long-term leases, and it also gives you prestige. Whereas cons for such type of property investment are it has high maintenance cost and it is susceptible to economical downturns. Now, retail spaces include malls, shopping centers, and standalone stores. They are designed to attract shoppers and facilitate sales. Now, with the rise of e-commerce, some investors are transforming retail spaces into fulfillment centers. This shift offers new opportunities for growth and innovation in real estate sector. Now, pros of such type of investment is it provides versatility, it has high potential for high footfall, and it also provides diversity. Whereas cons with such type of investment properties are it has competition with online shopping, there is tenant reliance on consumer spending as well. Now, industrial properties encompass warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers. They are essential for production, storage, and shipping. These properties can offer long-term leases, providing stable income. With the growth of e-commerce, demand for warehouse space has surged. Now, pros of such type of properties are it provides long-term lease stability, it has lower maintenance cost, it has got strong demand. Now, the cons are it is location dependent and it has specialized use, hence it limits the tenant pool. Mixed use buildings combine residential and commercial spaces. Imagine living above your favorite coffee shop, that's mixed use. These properties offer diverse income streams from both residential and commercial tenants. They can create vibrant communities and attract a wide range of renters. Now, pros to such type of property investment are it provides diversification, it has potential to attract different type of tenants, and it gives community appeal. Whereas cons for such type of investment are it has complex management, there are potential for conflicts between residential and commercial tenants. Commercial real estate offers a wide range of investment opportunities, each with its unique characteristics. So, whether you are drawn to the prestige of office buildings, the versatility of retail spaces, the stability of industrial properties, or the community appeal of mixed use buildings, understanding these categories can help you make informed investment decisions. Vacation properties are homes or condos in tourist destinations. They offer unique investment opportunities and can be a fun way to generate income. So let's break it down. Short term rentals are properties rented for brief periods, often through platforms like Airbnb. They can range from city apartments to beachfront villas. Now, in 2019, short term rentals generated over $115 billion globally. Now, with the right location and management, these properties can provide significant income. Now, pros to such type of investment properties are it is flexible in usage, it has potential for higher returns, and it gives you the ability to set pricing for your property. Now, cons to such type of investment are it has regulatory challenges, it has seasonal demand fluctuations, and it requires hands-on management. Timeshare allow multiple owners to share a property, each having access for a specific period each year. It's like having a slice of paradise without owning the whole pie. Timeshares can offer affordable access to prime vacation spots. However, they are often seen as controversial due to complex contracts and resale difficulties. So pros to such type of investment properties are it gives access to luxury locations, it has shared maintenance cost, and it has potential for exchange with other properties. Whereas cons for such type of properties are it has limited flexibility, it has challenging resale, it has potential for unexpected fees. Resort properties are located in popular tourist destinations and often come with amenities like pools, spas, and restaurants. Investing in a resort property can be lucrative but requires significant management. Places like Goa see millions of tourists every year, making it a hotspot for resort investments. Now, pros for such type of investments are it has high demand in popular locations, potential for premium pricing can be achieved here, and it provides allure of luxury amenities. Now, the cons for such type of investment are it requires intensive management, there is high competition, and it is susceptible to economic and travel trends. Vacation properties offer a unique and exciting investment avenue, whether you are drawn to the flexibility of short term rentals, the shared ownership of timeshares, or the luxury appeal of resort properties. Understanding these options can help you make the right investment choice. So there you have it. Whether you are looking to invest in a cozy single family home, a bustling commercial space, or a relaxing vacation property, the world of real estate offers something for everyone. Remember, each type of investment comes with its own risk and rewards. It's essential to do your research, consult with professionals, and consider your financial goals. Now, thanks for joining me on this exploration of real estate investments. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy investing.